guys, this is a garden. These are cowpeas. Just tell me the name of this one. Is it Kodak green or spinach or sumawik? I don't know. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Depends with where you're watching me from. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Faith Gaji. And today, guys, I'm not coming live from my village. As I told you, I moved from my village, so I'm coming live from my place actually. Around Migori town. That's around, it's in Kenya, Africa, but from my county actually, from where I come from. We share Lowland and Korea, a county, so this is Migori County, so I'm coming live from there. And today, I'm coming from the market. Actually, I was in town, so I'm heading to my home place. But before we head there, I wanted to show you the village, like to explore the village. Look, yeah, we have some good houses around here too. They plant maize, as you can see. So guys, I'm heading to my home, so come with me. We're going to prepare lunch because it's noon actually. So stay tuned. If you're new here, guys, kindly consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for stopping by to watch my videos. Yeah guys, stay tuned. On our way to my house, we have a Moram road around. Also we have a tarmac road. So I'm heading to the tarmac road. So guys, this is our tarmac road, as you can see. Yeah, it's very sunny actually, guys. It's very hot. You can see even I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm heading home, and behind me I have a small bag there that I passed through a butchery and bought some meat so that I can go and cook lunch. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoyed your holidays, and also I forgot to wish you a happy new year. Hey guys, actually this is a sweet year actually. Tell me in the comment section, how did you start your year? How is the going and everything actually? Share with me. A lot of motorbikes are passing around. I'm really sweating. Really sweating. There are motorbikes passing around. This is the road to my home. Actually, this place is called Oruba. And this is the way to my place. Actually, schools have been opened. Some of the kids around have gone to school. Yeah, even mine went to school today, so I was alone in the house and decided no, I need to go out and do an amazing video for my people. So guys, hey, I'm really sweating. Let me show you from actually their beautiful sceneries, their beautiful houses, like rental houses, people around farm. I thought it was my home, like my homeland only, that's where people farm. But you can see even here people farm, and also buildings are the same as Koreans. The beautiful sceneries, you know. There's a cows grazing there. So we are back to another tarmac road. So this is the way to my house actually. It's not far from here. Some few minutes we'll be there. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. And yeah, today I'm really glowing. And it's so sunny. It's not raining. The weather in what's the weather in your place, like around your places? So we are going, still we're going. And my place is so far, but I choose to walk at least a bit once in a time, like once in a while. What is the name of these things, guys? Tell me in the comment section. This is the way. Actually, this place is not different from Korea land. Like if I see here, I just see my home place. Even though it's some distance to there, but I really love this place. But I don't like how people like throw dirty things around, like litters around. Don't like this. You see, like this area, so dirty. But at times when it rains, the water like flows with everything, like the dirty. I like the breeze around here because I'm feeling so hot, guys. It's very hot. So guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, like, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment there. Also share the videos, and yeah, let's support this girl. It's been some days that I've never posted a video, but I promise this week I'll try my best because I have a lot of things to do, but I'll always try and post some videos. Yeah, this place is actually good. I really like this place. The security around is very demure. The greenness of our land. So guys, this is a garden. These are cowpeas. Guys, tell me the name of this one. Is it Kodak green or spinach or skuma wiki? I don't know. So guys, you see the far end there? That is my place. That's where I live. In around the blue gate, around there, sky blue gate. Yeah. So that's where I'm going. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra. So here we are, guys. This is my outfit of the day. Also, we have a school around my place. That's a school there. You can see. It's called Kips Academy. So if you come to my place, just look for Kips Academy. Yeah. So let us open the gate and enter. And this is my door. So there we go, guys. This is my mansion. My beautiful place. Ta-da! Welcome, guys, to my humble place. My beautiful home. Actually, let me open the window because it's very, very hot. So there we go. So there we go. Yes. So I like that view, guys. So let us cook. Actually, guys, I'm very hungry. So let us cook. This is my small bag. I bought some meat and some mallow. Just a quarter. And some milk, fermented milk. So cook with me. And I had cooked some githeri last night. These are just the remains and some cabbage. So stay with me as I cook lunch. Ta-da-da, 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 ta-da-da. So guys, let us wash our hands. So guys, let us wash our hands in the sink. It's really dark. Let me. At least. So this is our meat. It's very small, guys, but this one is enough for me. Let us wash it in the sofa. There you go. Let us light our gas. There you go. Yo. Let me put some little water for it to boil. That one is enough. It has started boiling. That is what we are using to cook the meat. Like our mwiko. Guys, we are picking our spices. So let us prepare our tomato. I'm using one tomato actually because the meat is small, and an onion I used in the morning, it remained. Some ginger and garlic and some carrots. I'm using this small one. Also we have Royco cube. I'm using one. What else? Yeah, that's all. And our cooking oil, our salt. These are, let me add some salt. Yeah, these are salt. So there you go. Let me add a pinch of salt. Yeah. So let it cook until the water is drained from it. So there you go. So these are onions. Let us cut onions. These are onions. Ooh, the onions entered my eyes. I'm crying. They are really into my eyes. Also, I like removing to peel the tomato because my son doesn't like the tomato the tomato skin. So I always peel the tomato. That's how I peel it. I remove all the skin. Oh, I'm really crying, guys. done. So it's time to grind our, is it grinding? Like to grate our garlic. I'm not putting too much garlic. This one is enough. Just one piece is enough, because the meat is not too much. Let me wash my face and come back. So there you go, guys. So let's grind our ginger. I'm putting them in the same plate. I will show you guys. So let us grind our ginger. This is a dried ginger. So I'm grinding it with the cover. Because me, I don't like spices like the powdery spices. I like organic and natural spices and not too much spices. So there you go, onions, ginger and garlic. So we're gonna put our meat to boil because the water is little, so that it cooks. I'm just putting it all. So there you go. I'm gonna mix it. So let it boil before the water is finished in, so that the onions cook with the meat together. Also the garlic and the ginger. Let me prepare the tomato. So you see how it looks, and the carrots. It has grained our carrot. So that's it, we are done. Let us see our meat. I guess it's ready. ready. I had some small cooking oil that I always put here if I cook something, if I fry something. Those are potatoes that I fried, so I'm gonna use this oil. Oh, I've really put a lot of oil. The meat really looks yummy. So let it fry a little bit, then we add some tomatoes and the carrots. Oh, but my sufuria is really turning brown. I'm thinking of cooking meat with ugali, but actually I'm alone, so I don't know what to cook. Maybe I cook rice, so that when my son comes from school, he will eat rice, because he doesn't even like ugali that much. So maybe I'll cook rice. Actually, let me put my measure the rice, because I have rice in the house. So I'll cook 1 cup of rice. You see? Let me add a quarter of is actually really turning brown. I don't know why, or it's because I put in a lot of heat. Let me reduce it. But there you go. It has really cooked well. You see? Looks good. Water for rice to boil in the electrical jug there. Yeah, so that when I finish cooking the meat, the water will be ready. I just put rice, because I'm very hungry and it's almost 3 in the evening. Yeah, so let it boil. And my meat, I guess, is ready. My spray is turning really brown. I guess it's ready. Let me put the there you go. I put my tomatoes and the carrots. So let them cook. Then I put some little water for soap, and this one for flavor. This is Royco cube. So let me put some cube. For the tomatoes are almost ready. It looks really dark. I guess it's because of the onions that I put in the sufuria, but it's not that bad. It's not what did I say? Let me put some small water for soup. It looks really dark. So let me taste. It's very delicious, I swear. Don't judge from the look. It's very yummy. I guess this darkness is because of the onions, but it's very yummy. I'm thinking of mixing it with the cabbage. These are green cabbage, the cabbage leaves that I cooked, mixed with some carrots. I want to boil them and mix with the meat so that I cook rice and we eat with it. So guys, I'm mixing the meat and the cabbage. This is my idea actually. Viewers, you can cook without mixing any veggies, but mine wanted it like this, so I'll leave it to cook for a bit so that I cook rice, because the water for rice is almost ready. This is the look of the mixed cabbage. This is cabbage leaves, and I've mixed. It looks delicious, so let it boil. You see? Yeah guys, I removed, you see that cabbage there? I removed the leaves. Yeah, it's not sukuma wiki. So let me wash my rice. Let us remove this first water and rinse again with some clean. So there we go. Ooh. So guys, our veggies are ready. Our vegetables are ready. Let us remove this one. Let me put it up here so that I pick a cook rice here. Let me rinse the sufuria. There you go. So let it dry up, then I put some oil. Our water is ready. The sufuria also is ready. Let me put some of the clean oil. I want to fry the rice first before I put water. Water, not water. Oh, water and water, whichever the case. So let the oil heat a little bit. So let me put the rice, guys, because Let me put some salt. This one is enough. So guys, I put this is salt and rice. So let us try it. You also let it heat a little, then we add water, hot water. So there you go, let us add water. I guess this water is enough. Yeah, this water is enough. This water is enough. So you make sure you're cooking the rice in a low heat so that it can cook slowly, and it's for it to cook well and not to remain on the bottom of the sufuria, like to catch on the bottom of the sufuria. Let me add some little water. That one is enough actually. So my heat is very low, as you can see. So in a few my rice will be ready. I'm very hungry, guys. So let us wait for it to heat this githeri. We boil it, then I'll eat it actually. The rice is cooking well. Our rice is ready. You can see it has really cooked well. Let me put these corns. Actually, this is corn and peas. Corn and peas. Let me put them here so that I can boil them. Yesterday night I cooked corns. Those are corns, peas, and I mixed with some potatoes and carrots. It was really yummy. I really enjoyed my supper, like my dinner last night. So let it cook so that the water is finished outside. You can hear the sound. Seems like it is boiling inside, from inside. The water is not drained all. And our meat is there. I washed some clothes. I folded them in the morning, but I have not arranged them on the so I'll do that later. Let me sit down a little and wait for the rice to cook. Maybe just arrived from school. Daddy, na unatupa tu bag kwa mlango. Really there. Hi baba. Tamwaga hizo mangona nimekunza. Say hi. How was school? Baby, how was school? Why are you... What is this now? See this boy. Unafanya nini? Mbona unatupa tupa socks? Nakuuliza, how was school? You don't want? And our food is almost ready. I really timed him because I knew when he comes back, he's always angry. Very, very angry. He can also always eat you if you've not prepared something for him. He's ready, very ready. Oh, you can see it has really cooked well. So let me remove it from the gas. Put it up here. Okay, let me boil these ones. As this one is boiling, let me empty my son. Let us empty my son's bag. Ulikula chakula yote? Nini jacket yako? Au kukula food? Hata maji hujakunywa. Nilikwambia unaweka nini yako, bag yako vizuri. Ona vile umechafua bag. It has boiled already. So let us serve our food and eat. Let me turn off the gas first. Hey, this is rice, this is corn and peas and potatoes, and this is meat and cabbage. That's my meal for the day. So let me serve and we eat with my son. So guys, I'm serving. This is mine. Hey, you see the rice? You see the rice? You see what I'm telling you guys? I'm a chef. Yo. This is my rice. I'm gonna put it along with the corn. Some small quantity actually. This is enough for me. Then I put some cabbage and meat. Sasa nyuma kidogo. Woo! You see guys, this is what I'm telling you. This is my dish. So let me put for Travis. Travis, utakula nini? Utakula nini? No. Mchele peke yake. Ukose rice peke yake. End your video. This is my dish and this is for Travis because he doesn't want to eat like the vegetable and the corn. So I'm sitting here. I wanna eat here. Babu simwage chakula yangu because I don't have a table. I've not yet bought some furnitures, but we are okay with how we are living. So this is our soda. It's a nice meal actually. So guys, we've come to the end of the video and I'm still enjoying the meal. It's really delicious. Yeah, and if you're new here guys, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. And you guys, I really love you guys. Yeah, also hope for more and amazing videos to come. Yeah, and thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.